Hey, how you doing? Miss me? Today we are going to do more Rick and Morty stuff. So let me get you started on that, and we'll hop right into it. All right? We're gonna do Rick and Morty hit sketches. So it's not just Rick and Morty. It'll be other characters like Beth and I don't know, maybe Beth, maybe Mr. Poopy Butthole, maybe Birdperson. We're gonna just jump all kinds of characters. We're gonna find out. All right, let's get right to it right now. Also, hope you like the new format I'm doing right now. I'm kind of experimenting right now, so I'm using another program to make this program seem the way it looks. So the format looks a little more professional looking. I'm trying here. I don't have a lot of equipment here. Okay, I really don't. So we're just gonna work what we got here. All right. Hopefully this video comes out looking decent. So let's just get into it. Yeah. Yeah, let's just yeah. Let's just do that. All right, so we're gonna start working on. I believe I already did Rick and Morty. I could do another headpiece of them, but honestly, I want to try and jump to other characters. So let's do Beth's head. Let's do that first. We're just gonna make each character heads, and I'm gonna be constantly looking up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down on my screen because I got a tablet, a Wacom tablet in my lap. So yeah, I'll be looking down like at my dick pretty much, going, ooh, look at that. But no, it's my tablet. It's just my tablet. So here we go. Beth. Let's start with her. Beth is Rick's daughter. She is basically a borderline genius, just like him. But she stifled her ability instead to become a veterinarian, particularly a horse doctor. That's exactly the words they use. She's a horse doctor. She specifically operates and treats horses. It's not that unusual. It's just about the same as a vet, but she specifically concentrates on horses. And Beth has a bit of a psychotic streak, just like Rick does. She really does, man. Like, for instance, okay, so how you draw Rick and Morty character heads? Think of it like this way. They're all grapes, okay? Every character is like a grape. They got these little beady eyes. They got like sometimes when they're talking, you can see like the lip motion flap is like big teeth or small teeth like this, like that. It just gets really bizarre, but I do like it for the sake of it's just different than most things I've ever seen. And to this day, still is different. I've never seen a series designs look like this. So at first, I'll be honest, I wasn't a huge fan of the style at first, but the more I watched the show, it really grew on me. So let's see, let's get her face in there. We're just gonna go really cartoonish style with a lot of these. We're not gonna color anything today. We're just sticking head sketches only, alright? So if you're looking for color, I'm sorry. I'm gonna skip that for now. Because I want to try to capture the essence of the characters. Yeah, they all got these weird beady eye designs, like all characters do. Like, I understand it's probably for like animation purposes to make things look easier when they push it out in the show and all that, because everybody wants like how to get the show so like fluid and motion like that. And the answer is pretty simple. What they do is do a lot of shortcuts, like most animation. In case you don't know, animation works like that. All kinds of crazy stuff, man. Like, that's just how it works. You know what I mean? It just works like that. And I'm gonna keep talking because I gotta make sure recording like keeps my face and everything on there the whole time. So I'll try not to be too quiet as I'm doing this. But yeah, basically that's how it works. Every time they do these designs, they gotta make sure that the characters have some kind of motion fluidity to it every time. So, for example, Beth always has this look like she's always drunk or might know something you don't. That kind of face going on. Like I said, Beth's story is actually more complicated because, like I said, Rick kind of abandoned her and her mom like years prior. That's how the show starts too, and basically Rick comes back like 20 freaking years later in her life. She's already got like kids and a husband and all that stuff. And she's trying to live the perfect life. And you can see as the show progresses, Beth is really unhappy with Jerry. Jerry is her husband. He is, how should I put this? He's a pussy. Yeah, he's just a pussy. He has like no spine, like none at all. And you know what? He's just beta male. I'm gonna keep ragging on Jerry because Jerry's just a little bitch to me. I'm sorry, but I will admit, was it Dan Harmon? I think no, not Dan Harmon. It's another guy. He's from Saturday Night Live. I forget his name. I might pop it up in there later. But he's basically the guy behind Jerry's voice, and he captures that pure, complete wuss energy so well. Like he also plays on Archer as Cyril, I believe. Same guy. I mean, same voice exactly. Like not even much difference. Same exact voice. And he keeps like the same type of like pussified energy. But with Cyril, they did kind of amp his character a little better, especially because Archer's been around for like a whole decade at this point, which is also amazing for that show. I mean, kudos for them and all that, because that show's great. It's not always perfect, but you know, I do like it. As for Rick and Morty, it is also, I mean, it's a well-known show. I'm sure a whole lot of people either heard of it or seen it. I know it's not for everybody. It's definitely not for everybody. I know that for certain. But for me in particular, it's a great show. It captures like just great moments all over the place. And yeah, there's so much. I mean, the memes from that show. I'm sure everybody's heard of the memes. You know, Pickle Rick! And the show's just great with that. It really is. They know how to keep the energy going with each season. That's why I kind of adore it, in a way. And they just know how to keep the energy with each iteration of it. With each season, they always like try to up the scale even further. And we're pretty much done with Beth at this point. So we're gonna just move on. Oop. Ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, ooh. Gonna taxi ride. Sorry, I gotta sing that song. It's just a great song. It's the OddTaxi theme song by Poopy. Yeah, that's a stupid name, but his music is great though. It really is. By the way, y'all sleeping on that show for real. Whole lot of y'all. Okay, so we're done with Beth. Okay, we're done with her. Moving on. You know what? I mentioned the guy, so I might as well go and jaw him. Here's Jerry. Here comes Jerry. Oh boy, here comes Jerry! He's such a little bitch! Why you a bitch, Jerry? Jerry! Why you a bitch, Jerry? He is, Jerry Smith is the butt of all jokes. He really is. And honestly, he kind of deserves it half the time. Like, he kind of comes off as this, like, oh, I'm totally important. Nothing will knock me down and all that. But truth of the matter is, he is bitch made and personified, as I like to call it. He is bitch made personified. And everybody in the family lets him know that too. What I'm doing right now is just looking off my phone here because I'm trying to get the look of him right. So forgive me, I'm looking back and forth like that, but I kind of have to do it. So, you know how it is. I think I'm gonna keep it to just 3 characters, maybe a few more, but like I said, I'm not gonna draw too many. I might draw Birdperson though. I am thinking it. Jerry in his pure bitch boy mode. Like he is pure pussy boy. He truly is. He truly is. But yeah, all characters in Rick and Morty have this grape shape. Like I said, I didn't quite like it at first, but the more I watched the show, the more I started to like it. Like Jerry gave Morty that weird Jufro thing going on. I don't know what's that all about. That's all genetics, man. It's all genetics. If you ever want to draw the characters, though, just think of it this way: all their heads are shaped like grapes. If you can just keep that in mind, and you basically got the Rick and Morty style going on, because that's pretty much their style. Yeah, it's just grapes, mostly grapes. So think of it this way: when I draw Rick and Morty, go to Grape Town. Just go to Grape Town. Grape Town. Oh, Jerry, you made a disappointment. Oh, Jerry made a disappointment, aren't you, Jerry? Oh, that's alright, Jerry. No one can be a puss like you, Jerry. No, not like you. Only you can do the pussing thing. Ooh-wee, Jerry, ooh-wee. Yeah, I'm drawing. I gotta draw Mr. Poopybutthole. I have to draw him. He's just. I'm almost done with Jerry anyway. Hold on, here we go. Almost done with him. Like his wife is. Alright, that's enough, Jerry. That's enough, Jerry. We're tired of you now. Alright, next, gonna draw Mr. Buffalo. Because I love that name. How could I not be tempted to at least draw him one time? Last time we saw Mr. Poopybutthole, he's still recovering because apparently on season 1, and he kept it going, Beth shot him thinking that he was an intruder, and then it turns out he wasn't an intruder at all. He's actually on our side. So, oops, big oops, big oops. That's a oof right there. That's a true oof. He has like a grape shape too. No, he's like a bigger grape because he got this big ass head. He has a short body, but his head is huge. I'm talking like, dude, look at this. It's like an elongated shape like this. You know, it looks kind of like a. It's like a sex toy, like one of those sex bullet toys. That's what it looks like. It totally looks like a sex bullet toy. Oh my god. Oh, that makes it worse. That makes it worse. His eyes go slanted all the way outside of his head. Because that's just how they drew him. Nose goes down like that. But I'm gonna make him happy. Because I love when he's happy. That's the most fun of him. Hey guys, how you doing? Ooh-wee! Hey, how you doing? Mr. Poopybutthole! Ooh-wee! Ooh! Ooh-wee! That shit right there. Can't keep that up for a while. Got a little top hat. So ridiculous. I love it. Little gentleman's top hat. Oh my god. So yeah, Mr. Poopybutthole, in case people don't really know about the history of him, he's actually loosely based off the co-creator Dan Harmon because of well, just the style that he goes with. Because they like the same kind of vibe going on. And I think Dan Harmon kind of like pretty much partially confirmed that. But yeah, he's basically based off. Mr. Poopybutthole is based off of him, pretty much. I mean, of course, it doesn't have a big, giant, weird, elongated shaped head like this. No, Dan Harmon's like a chubby white dude in his 40s or 50s. Hey Jerry! Why you being such a puss about it? Ooh wee! Ooh! Ooh! Hey Beth! Why you married this loser, right? Ooh wee! Good thing you got some great kids though! Ooh wee! I don't know why I love that so much, but it's just so silly. That's probably why I like the show. It's just silly. Like, he doesn't really care if it's silly. Jerry got that look in his face like, you annoy me, Mr. Poopybutthole. And Mr. Poopybutthole just has this I don't give a fuck look like, yeah, Jerry, but who cares about you? You're a loser. Ooh wee, ooh, ooh wee, ooh. I'm gonna stop. Stop the voice already. I don't care. I love the voice. It's so, oh my god. The voice gets me every time. And we're almost wrapped up, so let's add one more character here. Probably near the bottom area. Who should we add next? And that's gonna be it for tonight. You know what? I think I'm gonna do Birdperson. Make the last person for the day. Or I could make Phoenix Person. That's equally funny. Make Birdperson real quick. Go right here at the bottom. Birdperson returns. Birdperson. Check this out here. Got this weird angular shape going on. I don't know what's that all about. And I just noticed this. I don't know if anybody's noticed this, so don't say it to the kids, please, who watch Rick and Morty. But if you notice, his nose is shaped like a dick. Look at that. It's shaped like a straight up penis. Straight up. Like a sad penis. Very sad. Birdperson has sad penis. I understand your pain, bro. I understand your pain. Got a look on his face that says, why? Why is my penis so weird? I don't know. I'll stop saying the word penis, but one more time, penis. Alright, that's it. What? It's a medical term. Alright, let's stop saying the word. I won't get demonetized by YouTube. You know, not monetized at all. I'll just make the feathers here. Feathers here. See, this is what I like the show. There's so many characters that you kind of grow attached to after a while. Like even they made like one appearance or just very few appearances. You start to love them a lot because they get all these callbacks throughout the entire series. I think that's why people like the show a whole lot. It's just all the callbacks and they keep with continuity as well. Pretty hard. They really do. Like even most ridiculous stuff, they actually keep continuity with it. Even things you thought was like minor in the show, they keep continuity with it. So yeah, Rick and Morty is just a great show. I recommend it to most people. But I understand if it's not your level of humor or think it's too crass or cruel or whatever. I totally understand. I get that. I think you're wrong, but I understand. Oh my god, making Birdperson look so menacing. He's not really like that at all, but man. Just the look though. Alright, that's all I got for you today. So did Beth Smith, Jerry Smith, Mr. Poopy Butthole, and Birdperson. These are characters that have been popping in and out. Particularly Beth and Jerry. They show up like every episode, mostly. But yeah, these are very pretty important, prevalent characters. I mean, two of them have like not shown up that much throughout the series, but their presence is so strong that you can't help but just you can feel the vibe. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's all I got for you today. These head sketches I had a lot of fun with, and maybe I'll do some more videos like that later. I don't know. We'll see. It helps me. Anyway, if you like, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the channel if you want to like it. That's fine. If you don't want to, that's okay. I don't care. Whatever, man. And yeah, just share it around. Just share. I mostly just share it around. Just share it around. Just do that for me. Do that. Just share the video around. And yeah, especially Rick and Morty fans too. By the way, love you guys. And I also have a Patreon. I'll leave that all that information in the links below. Whatever, it's all in there. And yeah, I want you to have a beautiful day. So say happy people. Peace. Soulstar out.